Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Goodbudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget app on the device where your account is still signed in. When you tap on it, you will directly be taken into your envelope's dashboard. If you tap on the account section at the homepage, it will take you into your savings or credit account, which is not where you can log out from. To log out, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner, which will show you more options. From here, tap on Settings, and within the Settings option underneath Household, you will now see the Logout button. Go ahead and tap on it, and within the Confirmation checkbox, once again tap on the Yes button to confirm that you wish to log out. And now you will be taken into the home screen, where you will once again see the Login or the Create New Household option, as if you are opening the app for the first time. If you wish to log back into a different account, you can use the Login option and then enter the credentials. Or you may also create an entirely new account from the Create New Household option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Goodbudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Make sure to ring that notification bell as well, and I'll see you in the next one.